What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily, your source for daily tech news. Make sure you subscribe so you know what's going on in the world of tech. How's everyone doing? Hope you're having a fantastic day. Before we get into the news, though, I did release my Galaxy Z Fold 4 review video. It's linked in the description down below. Check it out if you haven't. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. First story of the day is a new product that's been trademarked by Samsung that potentially will come out that is a little bit of a tablet and a phone mixed into one. So this is what is being reported, is that Samsung has trademarked Flex G, which is a dual folding smartphone tablet hybrid. And this stuff gets wilder and wilder in terms of what we can see in the future for new devices coming from Samsung and also other manufacturers, but Samsung's really at the forefront of pushing these kind of new devices out, which is always exciting to see. And the basically the trademark that went out on this, these are the example screenshots that they put in with it to give you a little bit of a description and look at potentially what could be the future of what we see with this device. And to add on to this, I think that's where the exciting part of this comes from, is like having that probably even bigger experience than a Z Fold phone and having it and then maybe a lot more so, like to make a really even bigger, huger splash in your life. So again, I love this kind of stuff and I think it's very, very exciting. Next up, check this out. This is a Z Fold 3 moon photo. And when, you know, look at it. This is what we used to have to deal with. Now, you probably could get a slightly better one if you went into pro mode on the Z Fold 3, but still, this is like auto mode. And when you go into auto mode and take a Z Fold 4 moon photo, it's so much better. So much better. It's amazing. You know, not only can you get closer, but you can also, just the quality of the photo is good. And then if you even go to an S22 Ultra and get the 100X, it's like even better. But still, it's amazing. That's one of the big changes, is that zoom, 30x space zoom on the Z Fold 4. Z Fold 3 had, I think at most you could do like 10x or something like that on it. So it's amazing, amazing, amazing. Great job so far with all this stuff, and it's obviously going to get better and better as time goes on with this stuff. But what do you guys do? Have you been taking a lot of moon photos with your Z Fold 4? Or if not, what kind of, you know, zoomed out photos are you taking? Let me know in the comments down below. And our last story of the day is about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and a potential defect or issue that's going on with the phones. Now, I look at mine and I don't have this issue. I've never had it on any of my folding phones. It might be a one-off situation for this guy, but ultimately it is something to know, and hopefully if it is an issue, we'll get the word out about it. But basically, there seems to be a little bit of bubbling or paint coming off on the hinge here of the phone. I found this on Reddit. The guy said, so this just happened. My Z Fold 4 hinge paint is bubbling / peeling off. And when we just look through these photos, you can see on the kind of the edge of the hinge, you can see it just kind of bubbling up, falling off. Kind of weird. He said he's got Samsung's care is going to be at his house by the time he put this post in about 10 hours. So it sounds like they're headed over there. I don't know if this was I guess this was yesterday or today, that they're going to ultimately fix his phone for him or give him a replacement. But it is something to know. Obviously, no phone is perfect. Every phone's going to have issues. When the new iPhones come out, I can almost guarantee we're going to hear a lot of stories about that stuff. But as you know, the folding phones are a little bit more, you have to be a little bit more gentle with them, more so than a traditional candy bar phone. I still have, I mean, hardware-wise, you know, besides a software issue or something, I don't really have any issues with my phone so far. Everything's been running really, really well on it, and everything looks really good too. So I think the majority of the people, there's absolutely zero issues. There's always going to be people with some issues, but for me, no issues so far. Let me know about you guys. Have you had any physical issues with your Galaxy Z Fold 4 where it was either a defect or it broke somehow? Let us know in the comments down below. Have a great day, and we'll see you down the road.